What is up, guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. This is another video in our OnePlus 6T Pro User Guide video series where we show you all the features and benefits that this phone has to offer. We show you how to access them, we show you how to customize them, and we show you how to use your phone like a pro. Now, if you're finding us for the first time, our channel is a tech channel that's more concerned about showing you how to use the devices that you currently own rather than showing you the newest device that's currently out. So if you enjoy videos and content like that, please support the channel by sharing our content, commenting down below your questions, thoughts, and opinions, and also hitting that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. Now, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the next thing we're going to take a look at is how to configure the different gestures that come with the Oxygen OS. And these gestures are things that you can do on screen to kind of navigate. And I'll show you exactly where to make those changes. So you're going to swipe down again. You're going to head into settings. From settings, you're going to go to buttons. And then you're going to go to the navigation bar gestures here. So you can see that you have some options here that you can make some different configurations. You can customize it in here, and it just gives you a buttload of options you can do. So, you have the long presses, you have a double press of your home button. You can hide the navigation bar. You can use the swipe buttons. You can kind of just make the OS your own. Whatever you're really comfortable with, just go in here, make some changes, see if it flows with how you use the phone. If it doesn't, go in and change some other things around. Again, you're just kind of making this phone your own. That way you're not afraid to go in and explore the menus. Now, another really cool thing that you can do is sometimes when you have a lot of apps open at the same time, you may swipe one away by accident. That does happen to me a lot, especially if you have an email up that you want to take a look at later, but you have thousands of apps open and you're just swiping away. You can kind of swipe the app away accidentally. What this OS gives you the ability to do is kind of lock the app in place. And by locking the app in place, you're keeping the app from going away when you're swiping up. So to access that, you're just going to hit this square button on your navigation bar to pull up all the open apps that you have. It has the three little buttons on the top. So you press the three little buttons on top and you have the lock option here. So when that lock option's on, you can actually not swipe that particular app away. It kind of saves your life if you've already opened an app and you have information that's ready. And then once you're done, you can unlock the app itself, swipe it away as if it was regular, and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. It's going to do it for another video in our OnePlus 6T Pro User Guide series where we show you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features and benefits that this great phone has to offer. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please support the channel by sharing our content and also sharing your thoughts, opinions, and any questions you may have about this phone in the comment section down below. Again, we're showing you exactly how to take full advantage of all the features of this great phone you either own or are planning to buy. And also, don't forget to check out some of the other videos we've done about the OnePlus 6T. It gives you a full rounded experience of what to expect if you're again going to purchase this phone soon, or if you currently own it. It shows you how to take full advantage of all its features. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. If you're not already a part of our community, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share any thoughts and comments or questions you have in the comment section below the video. And until next time, peace out.